So once we log in, we're gonna go first to the admin interface, and in the admin interface we're supposed to be able to have the ability to add new accounts and manage the user accounts that are already within the database. And if you check here, the data found in the user management database completely matches the one here in our user accounts in the tables in our database. So employee Tony Stark Iron Man, employee Tony Stark Iron Man, and here we can even update or delete a user. So when we add an account as an employee, we add, let's say, employee ID 123, full name Jeremiah, and let's have this Jeremiah at email.com 123 123, and we can have the role as a active employee and add it. And we go back, and it should be here, and over here it should update when we refresh the page. We have it here. Now let's go back to user management, and let's say we want to update. Let's say we want to change the details over here to 321 321, and we click update, and it should update here 321 321. And if you refresh this page, it should change as well. Now let's say this is an inactive user, so we go in and set this employee as inactive. It should update as not active and not active. And if you don't want this anymore, we can delete it. It will ask us first if you want to delete the user, and when we check and refresh, the user should be gone. Now let's go to inventory. The admin is supposed to have the ability to add a new jewelry, and let's say we want to see the bracelets, and clearly there's no data found in the bracelets and other jewelry systems or jewelries. So all jewelries feature all types of the jewelries we have available in stock, and bracelets, we have nothing for bracelets. So let's try adding a jewelry for bracelets. Let's name this bracelet 1, and we go to bracelets category. This is a bracelet, stock 1 is just to that, and let's put 2, and the price is going to be 20,000 pesos. Add jewelry. Jewelry should be added successfully to the system. And if we go to the categories, we have the different category names, and we have inventory, and there is bracelet 1 123, the SKU, this is there, and we have 2 in stock, and the price is 20,000, last updated, and everything. And if you check the bracelets, it should be here. This is a bracelet 123 123, jewelry restoration, such and so on. So let's try adding a new category. So these are the different categories, and if you want to add one, simply add here. Let's say bracelets, rings, necklaces, earrings, jewelry restoration. Let's try thinking of anklets, ankle bracelets, no, amulets. So you can add a new category, and it should appear here. There's nothing right now, so but if you check and add one here, it should be available here as well. Earlier this wasn't here, but now it is because we added a new category. Now let's name this one amulet 1 again. This is an amulet, stock quantity 1, random letters, and so we have 4. Price is 10,000 pesos. Add the jewelry, and if you check here, it should be here, and in all jewelries you should be able to see everything here. So that's within it. Now so we're gonna have the functionalities of the employees account. So when we go into the employees, we sign in, and in inventory we see here that the ability to add categories or add jewelries is not here anymore, because that is out of the scope of the employee accounts. So here we can see the different products available in the inventory, and here in the point of sale is where we have the different products for selling items, right? So we go to all jewelries. Let's assume that there is someone that wants to buy a yin yang necklace. We click add, it's going to be added to our cart. Then we're going to see that it's $25,000, and let's say they want to pay through cash. Let's go to 25 123, complete payment, and here we have the receipt, quantity, unit price, total, and subtotal. And we print the receipt if you want to save it as it is, but we're not going to be printing that. We can go back, and if we look at the purchase items, we have the ability to see the receipts and the receipt number and everything. Now, when we go to sale, we can see the different sales here. So 25. Now if we copy this, we can see it here, and let's look at the receipt number, and we should be the one on top. And let's go back, Now let's go back to the admin, no, to the manager. The manager should have the abilities. They have the same abilities as the employees account. In inventory, they can see everything here again. Amulets, point of sale. They can see the different products, add to cart, stock quantity, unit price, all of these, and bracelets. Now, if you look at the manager's accounts, we have the same thing here: jewelries, bracelets, rings, necklaces, earrings, jewelry restorations, amulets, and here we have the ability to do consignments. Over here, we have the ability to add the jewelry form or the custom-made jewelry form, and we fill in the details of the customer. Jeremiah, let's assume this one last name, oops, Rizalde, middle name, middle Jeremiah, email address, add email.com, messenger is optional, so we can add the username. Let's try that one over there, and detailed description. This is where we write the description of the product, so we can select what type of ring we're going to be doing. Let's try this wedding ring, and we're going to use vermeil, and the description is make the metal look modern but also have runic designs, and we submit it. So consignment data saved successfully. You can view orders here, and if you check the database here, we should have it here, middle name, go back to POS, we can log out.